Hey, what's up, guys? Tate with Lead Squirrel here. Want to talk to you for a second about a common misconception I hear all the time when it comes to running ads for your pest control or wildlife removal business on Facebook specifically. I hear from other agency owners, pest control operators, wildlife control operators that it's hard to run Facebook ads for your business because there's no good way to target people on Facebook who actually need your service. And while that's true, Facebook by default doesn't give us the option to target people who need pest control or wildlife removal. There is a way around this. So, before we jump in, it's important to know that in Facebook's Audience Manager, which is part of your Ads Manager, you have the option to create an audience based on people who have viewed a certain percentage of a video. Meaning, if someone on Facebook has watched 50% or more of a certain video, then you can target them specifically with an ad. So how does this play into pest control and wildlife removal? What you're going to do is you're going to create a video ad. This is going to be real simple. It's just for video views. Video views are pennies on the dollar compared to clicks. And so we go the video route because it's cost effective to help narrow down your audience. What you're going to do is you're going to put together a 60 to 90 second video explaining what it is you do, how that is different and better than your competition, maybe talk about some of your reviews and relevant experience, end with a quick call to action, your phone number, a way to reach out to you. Real simple. You're going to run that to a particular region or neighborhood or area, or maybe you just do it to your whole service area. It really doesn't matter. One of the things that I have found most effective is if you find an area or a neighborhood that you know has a particular pest problem, maybe because you've serviced 8 houses on that street, run that video in a very tight radius around that neighborhood. Create a second ad, and this one's going to be a lead form or a call ad. You're going to target people who watched 50% or more of the video in the first ad. Now, why do we do this? People by nature don't want to waste their time. They're not going to sit there and watch 60 to 90 seconds of a video if it doesn't pertain to them. So if you're talking about pest control or wildlife removal and someone watches 60 or 90 seconds of that video, you can assume that they may have a pest or wildlife problem. So we create this second ad and we show it to people who watched 50% or more of the video from the first ad. What this does is it, for pennies on the dollar, narrows down and shows the more expensive ad, the lead gen ad, to people who have already raised their hand or voted with their time and said, yes, I actually might have this problem. So the people who are seeing your second ad, the people who are seeing the call to action to reach out, those people have already been exposed to your brand for 60 or 90 seconds. They watched through that video that showed them how you're different, why they should choose you. So they're already familiar with you. And watching through that video indicates that they may have the problem you're advertising to solve. You're going to see a lot lower cost per acquisition despite the fact that you're running 2 separate ad campaigns. Video views are so much cheaper than clicks that driving your initial touch to a video view and then narrowing it down by people who spent the time to watch that video is going to be so much more cost effective than sending people to a landing page or to your website or having them open a Facebook instant experience, which by the way, those are going away soon. Getting them to watch that video, so much more cost effective. And then you can run the more expensive ad only to the people who have watched 50% or more of that video. So give this a shot. Give it a try. If it's something that you want to know more about, click the link included with this video. It's going to take you over to a blog post on our website that shows you exactly how to set this particular campaign up.